Hi everyone, I thought I'd come on and just share what I got today from Stampin' Up, and the only other thing I got was some embellishments and some Tombow. So yeah, this is like the first time I ever got a soft package from UPS from Stampin' Up rather than a box. Anyway, this is what I got. This is not available to customers yet, and I'm just going to show it to you without showing you a card made. I know lots of other demonstrators are doing that, but it's not available to the 3rd of November. So mark your calendars. Tuesday, October 20th is the night on the live that I'll be making projects with you from this. And I am considering a class for November using this variety bundle. Now let me tell you what's in the bundle. So the variety bundle comes with Curvy Christmas, and it's got this swirly curvy with stars, curvy with trees, pine trees, and then it's got some sentiments: may your days be merry and bright, some stars and snowflakes, a bow. I guess this is snow also. Thinking of you at Christmas, Merry Christmas font. This is photopolymer, both are. Two of these, I don't know, mistletoe or some kind of branch, and pine needle branches. So that's the Christmas one. And then this is the paper, which they're calling Classic Christmas 6x6 Designer Series paper. There are 3 colors: Shaded Spruce, Cherry Cobbler. Oops, I got them out of order, of course. Oh no, I didn't. Sorry. No, yeah, I did. Shaded Spruce, Cherry Cobbler, and Sahara Sand. So those are the colors. Now let me show you the patterns. And there are 4 of each pattern for each color, and the the patterns are the same, but they're double-sided, and I'll show you. So each color you'll get this crosshatch, like almost like gauze, and a stripe on the other side. So one side is more white with green, and the other side is more green with white, whisper white. Then we have stars, which I like, with that, I'll call it mistletoe for lack of a better anything to call it, some kind of leafy thing. Then we have like pine needles with little dots, which could be berries, with like snowfall. And then we have little trees that match the design somewhat of these trees on here. Okay, so these are the Christmas parts of the bundle, and these will not be available starting January 5th. Okay, they will not be in the new January to June mini catalog. These will not be. And then those same patterns, oh, let me flip over. Did I show the other side? Okay, I didn't show the other side of this one. It's got this crosshatch on it. So there you have the patterns. Okay, I don't know if I showed any of them actually. Did I? I don't know. Anyway, I think I did. But the you get 48 sheets. So basically, what's that? I don't know. I can't do the math in my head. It's 3 colors, 4 patterns of each is 12, and then 4 sheets per pattern per color. So 48 sheets. Anyway, but mostly Christmassy. I mean, there are some in here. These patterns here, and like the dots and things, they can be used for anything. And even the stripes and the crosshatch can be used for anything. So it's a versatile set of paper, and Sahara Sand especially could be used for anything. But even in the Christmassy colors, those patterns can be used for anything. Now the pine branches and stuff, yeah, maybe not. Stars could be for a birthday. Stripes can be for any time. So it's a versatile paper. But that part of the set, the bundle, goes away at the end of the year, as far as we know at this moment. The other parts of it, this quite curvy stamp set, which has these leaves, which, forgive me, but they remind me of catalpa tree leaves, the shape they are. If anybody knows what a catalpa tree is, it gets the long beans on. Maybe there's another plant that has that shape leaf too that you're more familiar with. If so, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, it says you're 1 in a million. Thinking of you makes my day. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Hooray for you. Made with love just for you, and hello. In a very pretty font. And then some flowers over here, which sort of look like a double tulip almost to me. And then 3 little birdies and a little flower sprig thing. So those are photopolymer also, and I have seen a couple videos where they were able to sort of manipulate the shape. I have not played with these at all. They just came from UPS, you know, like a little while ago today. And then here are the dies that go with it. So we have that sprig. We have a dotted border, curvy border. We have one with a little spray, like almost like a floral, and then here's the leaves. That's really beautiful. I can't wait to play with that. Then you also have a die that cuts out this quite curvy stamp, and the 3 little birds, and also this little spray down here, and this little piece down here. So the dies coordinate more with the quite curvy, but this one in particular can definitely be used with Christmas. I think using this one, or just stamping these. So that's the preview, everyone, of they call it Curvy Celebrations, but this comprises the Quite Curvy Variety Bundle. There are some other purchasing options, but I'll go over those closer on October 20th and closer to November 3rd. So I don't want you to get, you know, too tied up in that right now. And if I have time to work on any cards before that aren't going to be part of the potential class, I'll throw some sneak peeks in every now and then. But that's about it. October 20th, that live will be dedicated to using this variety bundle. So come back then and for that. And as for Friday night's bundle this week, we are using a whole suite of products. Friday night, I don't want to tell you which one, so come back and see. But I will tell you that the same bundle or suite that I use on Friday, I'll be using components of that also for the 10 on the 10th collab on the 10th, which is Christmas cards. Okay, so there you have it. Friday will be Christmas. Okay, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Thank you for watching.